Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hardik. So in the previous video we talk about template literal. Okay, so let's continue that and now we see how we can write the multi-line program using the template literal. But before that, let's see how we were used to write the same thing using the the ES5. Okay, so let's say I have a variable called description, and let me add the lorem ipsum here. So we'll add here. Okay, so I have added this dummy string here. Now let me add the, and we'll do the concatenation like that, right? And then I will close this with double quote, and I think here as well. Okay, save this. Okay, so now each line has the concatenation at the end, so that way if I now do console log description, okay, let me run this program in the terminal, and we'll use node monotone. Okay, so of course we get the result, right? And okay, that's how we used to do in ES5. Okay, now let's see how we can achieve the same thing using the ES6. So we'll copy the same thing, right? We'll copy the description as well, like that. Now instead of this one, I don't that, and here I can use again a backtick line, right? And then that way I don't need the concatenation, so I will remove that. We'll remove this too, and here I will replace with the backtick, right? So with that I should be able to achieve the same result, but there is no more concatenation is required. Okay, let's see into the terminal. So we'll open that. Think we are already getting the result, but let me restart the program so we can clearly see that. So okay, so this little hard to see. So this one is we are getting using the first console log, and this one is we are getting the second one. So using the backtick we can write the multi-line program, and we don't have to do the concatenation. Okay, thank you so much for watching. In the next video we're gonna talk about the destructuring. Okay, thank you.